In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a PDF to a Word document using Microsoft Word. This skill is particularly handy if you need to make edits to a document that was originally saved as a PDF. So let's jump right into it. First, what you'll want to do is open your Microsoft Word application on your desktop. This step is crucial because while there are online tools that can do this, using Microsoft Word directly maintains the formatting better and ensures that you have more control over the content. Once you've fired up Word, look for the Open option. Typically, you can find this under the File tab in the menu bar at the top of your screen. Clicking Open will allow you to begin the process of selecting the file that you want to convert. Now, you need to locate your PDF file, whether it's stored on your computer, a USB drive, or even a cloud service. Navigate to where your file is saved. A tip to make this step smoother is to know the exact file name or the folder where it's stored, as this will save you a lot of time scrolling through your documents. Once you've found and selected your PDF file, double-click to open it within Microsoft Word. As you do so, Word will bring up a prompt. This is an important stage. The message will inform you that Word will now convert your PDF into an editable Word document. At this point, it's reassuring to know that this conversion process effectively turns scanned PDF documents into text and images that you can work with. Go ahead and click OK to proceed. It's really that simple. After clicking OK, Word will perform the conversion automatically, and in a matter of moments, you'll see your PDF displayed as a Word document. This transformation allows for easy text editing, and the best part is that in most cases, Word does an excellent job at retaining the original layout and formatting. From here, you can make the necessary edits and updates to your document just as you would with any other Word file. And there you have it. You're now equipped with a straightforward and efficient method to convert PDFs to Word documents using Microsoft Word. Remember, this approach is highly useful, especially when you need to maintain the integrity of the document's formatting while still being able to edit it as needed. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.